Hello, what's going on guys? So welcome to 5 minute solution. In this video I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account. But before we getting started, I wanna let you know guys, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Here you have to open up your browser and you have to go to your Facebook. So after going to Facebook, you have to go to the settings and privacy options. Then you have to go to settings. Now here you can see the settings option. There are so many options. You have to click on your Facebook information. Then here you can see delete your account and informations. You have to click on that view. Now here you can see permanently delete account option. So here you can download your information and deactivate your messenger too. So as we are going to delete our account, and here what you have to need to do is you have to put your password. So I'm doing it. Now you can click on continue, and here you have to click on delete account. So yup, that is it. Your account is in the deletion process, but this is scheduled for permanent deletion, and if you do not log in into the next 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. But if you want to cancel the deletion process, what you need to do, you have to log in your account, and I'm doing it. And here you can see you can cancel the deletion process, and you also can confirm the deletion. So yep. And if you want to cancel the deletion process, you can click on that. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys have any kind of question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.